Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 7th class students. I am Fatma here with 4th lecture of SST. Alhamdulillah, I am fine and hopefully you are fine too. This lecture is about chapter number 10, Early Muslims from History section. Hopefully you have learned all previous lectures. Firstly, we should know what is meant by history. History is the study of meaningful events in the recorded past and their relevance to modern occurrence. History is a Greek word, historia, meaning inquiry, knowledge acquired by investigation. It is the study of the past, particularly how it relates to the... Dear students, open page number 47, chapter number 10, the early Muslims. In this chapter, we will study about the achievements of the Muslims from 7th to the 16th century in the Arab lands and the countries they had conquered. In the 7th century, when the rightly guided Khilafat came to an end, with the death of Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, the influence of Islam had spread beyond Arabia. Major expansion took place during the Khilafat of Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala. Duration of Khilafat-e-Rashida starts in 632 AD with Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu and with the death of 4th Caliph Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu in 661 AD. Major expansion took place during the Khilafat of Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala. Persia had been conquered to the east and it included the countries of Iran, Iraq, Syria, Israel, Lebanon, North African countries, Egypt, Libya and Far Eastern Europe. In Byzantine Empire to the north and to the west Egypt. Byzantine Empire include the countries of Turkey, Greece, Italy, Libya, Egypt, Morocco and Syria. The Persian and Byzantine empires were culturally developed empires. Arabs not only brought them in their rule but also learned from them. The Umayyad dynasty came to power in 661 under Muawiyah ibn Abu Sufyan, who was the governor of Syria at that time. The Umayyad fought for Islam in the east. Their leader Muawiyah was also a soldier. He had built up a devoted army of followers. After 4th Caliph was assassinated, Muawiyah took control of the empire. He moved the capital from Medina to Damascus, began to practice of appointing a son as the next caliph. Umayyad ruled for 90 years. Damascus is believed to be the oldest living city in the world. It is said that Damascus has existed about 9,000 years ago. The Umayyad period is noted for the expansion of Muslim territories across North Africa, Europe and Asia. Bukhara and Samarkand came under Umayyad rule, and under Muhammad bin Qasim, the Arabs invaded Sindh and captured lands up to Multan. When the Umayyads took power in 661 CE, the empire's eastern boundary extended into Persia and pushed the border further into Central Asia. The expansion began with hit and run raids attacking the cities of Bukhara and Samarkand, both major trade cities of this region, located in Uzbekistan. There was a greater activity on sea than on land. Constantinople was conquered by Arab fleet, as were the island of Sicily and Rhodes. These and later victories at sea brought Muawiyah the credit of building Muslim naval power. Constantinople is an ancient city in the modern-day Turkey that is now known as Istanbul. Umayyad dynasty continued to spread Islam across North Africa to the people called the Berbers. In 711 AD, a Berber leader named Tariq led armies from North Africa into Spain at the great lock that overlooks the strait between Africa and Europe, Strait of Gibraltar. The strait and rock are named for him Jabal Tariq. Names come from long ago when the Moors, Muslim from North Africa, occupied half of Spain for nearly 800 years. Jabal or Jibral is an Arabic word, means hill or mountain. Tariq ibn Ziyad was a Berber ruler of neighboring Tangier who occupied the rock and kept it as an Arab stronghold. Gibraltar is named after him. Arabs conquered Spain and even invaded France, where they were defeated at the Battle of Tours in 732. The Muslim presence in Spain became stronger when the Umayyad established their rule. Is a variation on Jabal al-Tariq field. It is said that, having landed on Spanish soil, Tariq ordered half of his ships to be burnt. There would be no turning back for his men, who had to go ahead. The other half of the fleet was hidden behind the cliffs. One group of Muslims, the Abbasids, gained support from other Muslims who opposed the Umayyads. By 750, the combined forces devised a plan to overthrow the Umayyads. According to some historians, the Abbasids invited the Umayyad leaders to a meeting to talk about peace. At the meeting, the Umayyads were murdered. Umayyad made Cordoba their capital and made it one of the finest cities in the world. Education, sciences, medicine, art and culture flourished in the Muslim Spain. Cordoba University was the largest and the best institution of its time. Cordoba, the seat of the Umayyad rulers in Spain, was the center of cultural life. Its wonderful mosque has inspired Muslim poets right up to the 20th century. It was a tolerant society which produced many thinkers, scientists and writers. Arab rule in Spain lasted till 15th century. Granada being the last stronghold, there are many features in the architecture, language and culture of Spain and Sicily that remain one of the long Muslim influence in this region. Umayyad ruled till 750 when the Abbasids defeated them and established their dynasty. Two of the most famous Abbasid rulers were Harun al-Rashid and his son Mamun. In Islamic history, the Abbasid period is known as the Age of Wealth and Culture or the Golden Age of Islam. Learning and education in all the fields were encouraged, Greek and Latin works were translated, and medical schools were set up. Mamun established the Baitul Hikmah, House of Wisdom, in Baghdad. The most important contribution by Arab was in the field of mathematics, laying the foundation of modern mathematics. The other most significant feature was the tolerance shown to the followers of other faiths. Knowledge and learning were given more value and respect. Mongols, Central Asian nomadic invaders, were a threat to Islamic land. Genghis Khan destroyed the Arabic kingdom east of Baghdad in 1220s. His grandson Halaku Khan continued the assault in 1250s on Baghdad. 1258 CE, last Abbasid Caliph 37 was executed when Baghdad was invaded by the Mongols. Salahuddin set up schools, colleges and hospitals. He is remembered as a hero of his time. Salahuddin died in Damascus in 1193. This powerful ruler left behind no wealth, not even enough for his funeral. Effects of the Crusades and Muslim rule. The interaction between Muslims and Europeans on one hand and between Muslims and the Eastern countries on the other led to an extensive exchange of knowledge and ideas. The Muslims, Arab in particular, learnt eagerly from other civilizations to develop their knowledge. Students, open page number 47 and mark the answer of book reading questions from 1 to 16. The answer of first book reading question is: major expansion took place during the Khilafat of Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Persia had been conquered to the east, Syria and Iraq, and Byzantine Empire to the north and the west, Egypt. The second book reading answer is Muawiyah ibn Abu Sufyan, who was the governor of Syria. He shifted the capital to Damascus. The third book reading answer is The Man Who Left His Mark. Here was the Berber General Tariq, after whom the strait and the rock where they landed are named Gibraltar. The next half of this question, number 3, is on page number 48. Gibraltar is a variation on Jabal al-Tariq, Tariq's hill. The fourth book reading answer is The Arabs conquered Spain and even invaded France, where they were defeated at the Battle of Tours in 732. Answer of fifth book reading is Umayyad made Cordoba their capital and made it one of the finest cities in the world. Education, sciences, medicine, art and culture flourished in the Muslim Spain. Cordoba University was the largest and the best institution of its time. Sixth book reading answer is The Arab rule in Spain lasted till 15th century, Granada being the last stronghold. Seventh book reading answer is The Umayyad ruled till 750 when the Abbasids defeated them and established their dynasty. Eighth book reading answer is In 8th century, 762 AD, Abbasid founded the city of Baghdad on the Tigris in Iraq, and this became their capital. Ninth book reading answer is two of the most famous Abbasid rulers were Harun al-Rashid and his son Mamun. 10th book reading answer is Mamun established the Baitul Hikmah, House of Wisdom in Baghdad. 11th book reading answer is the Abbasid dynasty came to an end with the fall of Baghdad in 1258 at the hands of Mongol warlord Halaku Khan. The 12th book reading answer is The Crusades. From the 11th to 13th century, the Muslim world was invaded by the European Crusaders. These Christian fighters were called Crusaders because the Latin word for the cross, a Christian symbol, is crux, crucis. 13th book reading answer. One of the most important Muslim leader of this period is Salahuddin Ayyubi, born in 1174 and died in 1193. Salahuddin, known to the west as Saladin, was the Kurdish origin. He ruled over Syria and Egypt and recaptured Jerusalem from the Crusaders in 1188. The next half of 13 book reading answer is Salahuddin died in Damascus in 1193. The 14th book reading answer is Effects of Crusades and Muslim Rule. The interaction between Muslim and European on one hand and between Muslim and the Eastern countries on the other hand led to an extensive exchange of knowledge and ideas. The Muslims, Arabs in particular, learned eagerly from other civilizations to develop their own knowledge. The Europeans learned from the Arabs. The 15th book reading answer is Cartography means the science of map making. 16th book reading answer is Astrolabe, better maps, Arabic numbers, fine steel for weapons, silk and cotton, carpets, glass mirrors, violins, chess, playing cards, new food and spices. Dear students, write all the questions of book reading questions on sticky note and mark all the answers on your own book. Dear students, mark the blanks of chapter number 10. In the 7th century, when the rightly guided Khilafat came to an end with the death of 4th Caliph, Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, 7th century, and Caliph Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu was the answer of first blank. The second blank is China has a strong Muslim community in its northwestern province. Northwestern province is the answer of a blank of 2. The third blank is Damascus is believed to be the oldest living city in the world. Existed at the site for the last 9,000 years. Damascus and 9,000 years are the answers. On page number 51, info box, the word mamlook means slave in Arabic. Slave in Arabic is the answer of fourth blank. Now take out your notebooks for exercise questions. Note down exercise questions.